Hey there, I'm Sanat Srivastav, and in this video, I will show you what all you can do with MyOperator's WhatsApp business platform. But before we begin, let us understand a little bit about WhatsApp Business API or WABA. WABA is a business first WhatsApp account that can be accessed only via specialized softwares created by Meta partners such as MyOperator. You can use WABA to have your agents chat with multiple customers using the same WhatsApp number at the same time. You can use it to send WhatsApp marketing campaigns. You can use it to send catalogs on WhatsApp to your customers, as well as automate your sales and support processes via chatbots. Now, let's dive into a feature walkthrough of this platform. So this is how the My Operator WhatsApp business platform section looks like, and this is where you can manage your chats with your customers and leads. All your agents will be able to see this screen, and unlike your regular WhatsApp, you have three different sections: open, assigned, and closed. Open contains the chats that nobody has touched yet, nobody has replied to them yet. Assigned ones are the ones that have been assigned to a particular user. Closed are, of course, the ones that have been marked closed by the user or the admin. Right. So now look at all the chats, we will use the filter all so that we can see everybody's chats just for this video, so that I can show it to you what those chats look like. Now, first of all, let's look at this open chat. It has come from somebody named Samyak Srivastav. That person has said hi, and it shows 23 hours over here, which means I have 23 hours to reply to this message. Okay, this chat will remain active for 23 hours, and this 23-hour, or rather 24-hour window will be constantly updated based on the last reply from that user. So let's click on this and see what they're saying. They're saying hi. Now I can reply to this message. Hey, this is Sanat from MyOperator. Because the user has already replied to me, I can reply anything to them. And the moment I reply to them, the conversation will be auto assigned to me. As you can see on the left, it is Sanat written over here, which means the conversation has been assigned to me. Now here I can chat with the user regularly. I can send them any documents. I can send them any photos, audio, video, anything. I can also send them any template messages that have already been pre-fitted by the company. For example, if there is something in messages, say a welcome message, this is so obvious. But if you want to set up any other messages that, hey, thank you for reaching out to us, we'll be glad to help, or hey, look at this new feature that we have rolled out, any other template messages can be stored and immediately retrieved from this button over here. Similarly, you can edit your message, you can add smileys, whatsoever, but you can talk to your customer like you regularly do on a regular WhatsApp. On top, you have two options. Either you can transfer this chat to somebody who is more relevant of a person to manage this chat, maybe some other colleague who looks at a particular product that the customer has asked for, or you can mark it closed and resolve this chat. This another chat which is open here, this was assigned to me and this has got a new message. That is why you were seeing one over here. The moment I open this is now gone, and I can again speak to this person regularly without any new intervention. Now in case of Devarun chat, you can see it is 1 hour left where I can reply to it. But if I click on it, you will notice that this chat is assigned to someone else. Please assign the chat to yourself to interview. Now, being the admin, I can transfer the chat to myself and start talking to this person. But if I don't do it, I will just be able to see the chat, but I will not be able to intervene in it or reply to it. Lastly, there are the closed chats. For example, something was resolved, something was done, and we closed the chat. Now, to initiate the conversation again with them, to talk to Shikha again, I will have to send a template message, something like this, which has already been added to my MyOperator dashboard. I cannot send a hello, hi text to Shikha like I would usually do on a regular WhatsApp account. So in this case, say Samyak's chat was available. If I resolve it, it will go from assigned to resolved. And if because the 24-hour window is still available, I can still reply to this and reactivate this chat. It will go back to my assigned section. Now, if you want to initiate a new chat with somebody, you simply have to go to new chat, click on that person's name or add a new contact. For example, my chat was already open. If I clicked on Sanat, it will take me there. In case of say Ankit, I click on it and it will take me to Ankit's previous chat if it exists, and then it will ask me to send a template message. Okay. Now there are other things that you can do with WhatsApp which are even more crazy than managing all chats in one dashboard. You go to manage section, you click on WhatsApp, and here you can see all your profile information. So you don't need to go to Facebook Business Manager to edit this profile. You can edit this profile directly by clicking here, or you can sync your updated profile from your FBM to the MyOperator WABA dashboard. Right. Now, the two other things that are great with WhatsApp Business API is you can have predefined templates, right? So in order to send any new message to anyone on WhatsApp Business API, you need to create a new template. You have to go to the create new template button. You have to write the template name, say Christmas offers. You have to select the language, the WABA account. You can put it into any category, utility or custom marketing, based on what sort of message this will be. Utility are transactional messages such as your OTPs, your bank account information, your balance, all of that. And custom marketing, of course, is a promotional message. So I'm creating a Christmas offer. I go into custom marketing. I can select the header, something that will come on top, Christmas offer up to 60% off. And I can even add a variable over here. I'll tell you what a variable is. And here I can add anything like that. Hey, this is an offer for you from MyOperator. You can get 60% off on all our plans till Christmas. It's cool. Hurry, avail now. Right? So on the right side, you're able to see what my message will look like. Christmas offer up to 60% off. Hey, this is an offer for you, so on and so forth. Right? Now there are a few unique things that I can do over here. One is, instead of a text, I can have an image, video, or a document. If I want to attach a document with this particular template which has the details of the offer, or if I have an image that is the creative of the offer, I can attach that image over here, right? Or I can simply have some text like I had earlier, 60%, 60% off on MyOperator. Similarly, here in this particular section, the body, you can also add any other documents or data that you want. Now, in the variable section, what variables mean is you can have a person's name attached to it. So if I go to after hey and add a variable, this variable gets added over here. Currently, you can see this variable hey1, but I can define any value of 1. For example, I can have a value says hi Rohit. So every time you are sending a message, the template will ask you to mention what is going to be in variable 1. Again, for example, if I want to have different offers for different people, so I can add a variable over here, and this can be 60%. So every time I'm sending a message, I can decide if I'm sending it to Rohit, who is a great customer, I can give them 60% off. But if I'm sending it to Mohit, who is probably a new customer, I can give them, say, maybe a 50% off, depending upon whatever you are doing to your customers, how your marketing works. Or you can say, if you are not giving offers, or you can plan your message differently, where you can say in one option you can give 1+1 discount, if one option you can give 1+2 discount, and you can check different type of messages with different people. At the bottom of the message you can add a footer, and you should always add a footer, especially in the case of marketing messages, which should go something like this: reply stop to unsubscribe. This is a very important thing. If you are sending messages to your customers, you should give them an option to unsubscribe from your marketing messages. There may be cases where they do not want to receive your messages. Now, if you do not give them an option like this, what will happen is they will mark you spam so that they don't have to receive your messages. You will be blocked from sending them any message. And if too many customers do it, you might as well be blocked from using WhatsApp Business API by Meta as well as by MyOperator. Okay. At the bottom, you have a few options. You can have custom replies set, for example, interested. and you can see that button over here. Or you can have a website that people can visit. Make sure that you add HTTPS to the website, www.myoperator.com, and this is the website. Check website. So this is what you will see over here. Check website. Somebody clicks on it, it will directly take them to the website URL. You can also add a phone number if you want. Say call us, put the phone number over there, and it will give a call us button. So once you submit this, it will go for approval, right? I'll submit it for approval. This approval directly comes from Meta. MyOperator will have no role to play in this. However, yes, you can always try changing your message so that it gets approved pretty quickly. You can always refresh the status of different types of on your dashboard to see all the messages that have been approved, rejected, or something. This message is currently pending for us. We'll come back and check if this has been approved or not. Lastly, you have the MyOperator campaigns. So you go on campaign, you select a number through which you want to send that message. You need to have enough credit balance, okay? And then you need to create a campaign. These campaigns will help you reach maximum audience at the click of a button, okay? So if I have to create a campaign, say Christmas campaign, I create this campaign, I select a marketing message. Christmas offer has been approved because it is showing over here. So I can send this message, and then I click on next. I have to upload a CSV file which contains the names of name and number, of course, of people, and the variables. So these variables also have to be added so that for different people, different messages can be sent. So if there is Rohit Mohit, if you add the names or the variable in your CSV file, you will be able to send customized messages to each and every person. Okay. You can also download the sample CSV file and upload it. I'm downloading a sample CSV. I am uploading that file right away. Just to go on to the next page. You can see the message limit that you have right now. It is an unverified account, so it has a 250 messages limit per campaign. But if you have verified your account on Facebook Business Manager, you will have a 1000 message limit, which can go to unlimited message if you are not spamming your customers and using WhatsApp messages or WhatsApp campaigns in ample amount. I click on next, prepares the file to upload, and then it will take us to the next stage. Now, map the variables to the Excel column. For example, the first variable, I need to map them to say name, right? Because that was our name. And if in case there is no name in the Excel sheet, you can at least have a fallback value. We should have added it to an offer percentage, but say in this case, phone numbers only. So say 60 is the fallback value. Now this is the message that you'll be sending to people. How many people are in there in this list will be visible now. The audience size is 2. That means 2 people are available in that sheet. The data of 2 people is available. This is the approximate cost of sending this campaign, which is 1 rupee 72 paisa. I can either schedule it for a particular date and time, or I can just send it right away. And I can also test it on my own number. I can put my number, test this message so that I can see, okay, if I'm getting the right message or not. And once this is done, you can just click on schedule now, and this campaign will be scheduled. The moment it gets executed, it usually gets executed within a minute. The moment that happens, you'll be able to click over here and look at the details, or you can look at the analytics of that particular campaign, right? So because the time has happened, it is 2:09 now. So you can see audience was 2, sent was 0, delivered was 0, because these were random numbers 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. So it failed. But if it would have been delivered, it would have showed delivered. And if people would have read it, it would have also showed read and replied, right? Names, mobile number, and status is visible over here. So this campaign failed, but you can create campaigns that succeed, and you can take the help of our team to create those campaigns. We check our template again, and as I said earlier, it has been approved by Meta, and we can send this campaign to anybody that we want. So these are few things that you can do with the MyOperator WhatsApp business platform and the MyOperator overall dashboard. These are few things that you can do with the MyOperator WhatsApp business platform and the overall MyOperator call plus WhatsApp platform. So This is all. If you need any more assistance, you can directly go to our dashboard section and initiate a conversation with our chat support team.